Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus. Faster heat up time. 19 grams dose for full flavor. Low pressure pre-infusion. Automatic microfoam milk texturing. Automatically steaming milk to a silky microfoam texture. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Jagiya Anima. One-touch milk beverages. Programmable brewing. 3 temperature settings. Simple maintenance and operation. 6 dedicated buttons and an LCD screen. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Breville BESS 810 BSS. Precise espresso extraction. Microfoam milk texturing. Maintenance indicators. 61-ounce water tank capacity. Voltage, 110 to 120 volts. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Espresso Overt. Heat up time, 15 seconds. Water tank capacity, 40 ounces per 1.2 L. Power, 1350 W. Brewing technology, centrifusion technology. Espresso Overt capsule system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Breville BESS 870 XL. Dose control grinding. Precise espresso extraction. Microfoam milk texturing. Grind size dial. Precise PID temperature control. Please check the description for details and best price.